Games that pay real money usually work by rewarding players through points, gift cards, cash payouts, or other reward systems instead of simply paying for playing time. By the end, you'll know how these games actually make money, what to check before downloading one, and how to avoid wasting time on apps with unclear reward systems. The first thing to understand is that reward games are not the same as traditional games. Their main purpose is to connect gameplay with offers, advertisements, surveys, or other activities that generate revenue. When you play these apps, the company earns money from partners or advertisers and shares part of that value through rewards. The second thing to check is the reward system. A good money-making game should explain how points are earned, what actions count, and how rewards are redeemed. Before spending hours on a game, check the reward page. Look for clear information about available rewards and the steps needed to claim them. The third thing to check is whether the game matches your expectations. Some apps may reward users for reaching levels, completing challenges, or trying specific games, while others may use different earning methods. Read the details of each offer before starting. Some tasks can require more time than expected, and understanding the requirements helps you decide if they are worth doing. You should also check payment options. A reliable reward game explains how users receive rewards and what steps are required before payout. User reviews can help identify common issues. Look for repeated complaints about missing rewards, unclear conditions, or problems with receiving payments. A few complaints do not always mean an app is unusable, but repeated patterns can help you avoid poor experiences. The best way to test a money-making game is to start small. Try a few tasks, confirm that progress is tracked, and see whether the reward process works before investing more time. Games that pay real money should be viewed as a way to earn small rewards while having fun, not as a replacement for a regular income source. To summarize, check the reward system, understand the requirements, and verify the payout process before committing your time. Your next step is to test one game carefully and track whether the rewards match the effort required. If this guide helped you find better reward games, like the video and subscribe for more practical earning guides.